It happens. You gonna bring it back? AJ?
Daddy,
Don't do dumb things, AJ. You have children to keep safe.
I have to bring it back, Natalie. It's got too much water in it.
You should put like a Barbie and Ken doll in it. Would that be funny?
I'm bad at it. I'm bad at it.
Alexander, you've never done it before. You'll get good at it. You've never worked one of those remotes, right? There's a first for everything.
It's the same.
Okay, ready?
It's okay, Natalie. You'll learn. AJ, you pay the doctor bills when you take out the shins of a small child. Right?
Small children are flipping it over and pulling up a
Hey, are you boys having a good time at the beach? Woo! Oh, Alexander, you're not allowed to smile. You can't smile. I'm gonna come tickle you. What are you doing? What was the best thing that you guys did today?
Nothing.
What was the best thing you did today? Out at the beach all day? This dance? Hey, floss! Do you know how to floss? There we go. Can you guys do it in unison?
What?
The same time. Do everything the same. Work together. Kinda, not really. It's cool. That's what the floss is all about, right? Do your own dance, Tyler. What's that called? What's that dance called? All right, Alexander, you do a dance. And a signature move. Oh gosh. Oh wow. Woo! Debbie, look at him. And then Miss Debbie's back there. She's flying a kite.